Now we're going to be using our stipple pattern, so open with your file that you want to use. So I used the Humanities Building and I press open. After this, then you're going to change the pixels to under 2,000 pixels. Then you're going to proceed. Then you're going to duplicate that background layer and you're going to then go to add new adjustment layer and make it black and white. Then you're going to press OK. After this, you're going to go back up to layer and add adjustment layer, and you're going to posterize it and press OK. After doing this, you're going to press on that posterize one layer, and you're going to go through the ones and see which one you want to do. I ended up doing 7. After this is done, you're going to go and you're just going to add a new layer. So go down to the box with a plus in it, add the layer. Then you're going to go to the magic wand tool. Make sure your tolerance is 0 and your anti-alias is off and your contiguous is off. Make sure only the one is on is sample all layers. After making sure this is on, I went and made sure and checked that my magic wand tool was still on. I clicked it. I went and clicked on the lightest pattern there was, so the whitest place in that picture. Then I went to edit and I did fill. Then I went up to the pattern and made sure the drop down is on pattern. Then went down to custom patterns and double clicked it and selected on the whitest pattern and then pressed OK. After this, you're going to go down to the bottom where it says deselect and press deselect. Then you're going to go back and select the next lightest pattern. So that's that sort of gray. Then you go back to edit and fill. Make sure it's on pattern and click the next lightest or whichever one that you think would fit most in that color. Make sure you're going to go back down and press deselect. Then you're going to go back to the next lightest color that you have, and you're just going to keep repeating this process until all of your layers that you wanted to posterize are full with the patterns. As you can tell, these patterns are becoming more of a gradient instead of a solid color, and that is kind of what we are going for here. So if you want to keep repeating it, then we're going to click on that next lightest one, fill, and we're going to keep adding those stipple patterns. If you need to zoom in, you definitely should, just so that you're not missing one of those darker colors that doesn't have a whole lot going on. And so after this, it should be done, and thank you so much for watching.